How to hide your notifications on an iPhone. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let's continue with the video. So for you to customize the amount of notifications you get on your iPhone, there are a bunch of options that you can play with. But in this video, I will show you nice and whole how to completely turn off notifications for specific apps on your iPhone. Well, for that, as you can see, I've come into the settings section. In the settings, you can see a tab called notifications. And since it is notifications that we want to customize, over here you will see all the apps that are currently installed on your iPhone. And in this, you can customize the notification settings individually for every app, which is quite powerful and neat in my opinion. So let's say I want to turn off notifications for the health app. All I have to do now is disallow them or uncheck the allow notifications option, and that's pretty much it. The notifications from health will no longer be visible to me, but you can obviously turn them on by going to settings. And over here you can see all the different customizable options for your notifications. You can play around with them and make sure that setting suits you the best. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it helped you guys. If it did, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.